if you're an avid traveler like we are, it's always important to have a great carry-on. One that is super functional, has awesome features, but also stylish. My wife and I have actually been looking for a carry-on because we're gonna be going on a couple trips this summer. And so we were looking at, of course, you know, the Away bags and some other brands, but we stumbled upon a brand called Level8. I was very pleasantly surprised by the huge selection they have. So, you know, we did some perusing and we settled on a bag that covered our needs as well as fit in the overhead compartment. And that bag was the Pro carry-on with laptop cover. Ta-da! Here it is. Oh yeah. As you can see, this is a super sleek and clean design, which is what we wanted, but it also has some really cool little features that I'm excited to kind of share with you guys. I haven't had a chance to travel with this bag, and honestly, this is the first time I'm really looking at the bag. So I'm just kind of giving you guys a kind of a first look at the bag from my point of view, and hopefully it gives you guys an idea of what you'll get if you look into this bag. So just to give you some details about the bag, it is actually one of their Red Dot award-winning luggages. It's finely crafted with aerospace grade bare macrolon, which is basically like a polycarbonate material. It's really lightweight, but it's really strong and durable. The dimensions are 14.5 by 9.3 by 21.6 and has a 35-liter capacity, and it weighs about 9.3 pounds. So let's start at the top of this bag. The first thing you'll notice is the lock section. It has a TSA approved lock, and it has a little button which opens the front, has the lock combination, and this is where you'll see the USB port, and it lines into the front part of the pocket, and you'll see a cable when I open this up. Also, you can see the handle up top. It's a really nice quality. It springs up like this, but it lays flat by default so that it doesn't get in the way. And of course, you got the stroller handle right here. So let's go ahead and open the laptop pocket first, because this is the part I'm really excited about. All you have to do is slide the switch this way, and I think you can slide it either way, and it pops open like this. It opens at about a 45-degree angle. Is that right? Is it less than 45 degrees? Yeah, something like that. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You can also see where the cable for your battery charger goes. It has a little pocket for you to put the battery charger as well, once you kind of plug it in there. I'm gonna throw in a Chromebook in here. I'm not actually sure about the size, but it's a smaller laptop, but you can just slip it in here, and it's perfect for easy access. It has a zipper that secures the laptop, and this is great for when you're like standing around in the lounge and you just need to grab your laptop real quick. You don't have to open your huge bag here. You don't have to carry a backpack specifically just to carry your laptop, which is really nice because I always carry a backpack and it's literally just to access a laptop. So it fits in right here, and you could probably fit, you know, like a book, a magazine, even another tablet in here. You can't put in anything too fat because you have to close this, and it doesn't have much give because the front is really strong and protective, so it doesn't have much give. You can't put like anything that much bigger, or else might not even close. So you have a little bit of space here, but for the most part, you would probably put like another book. You could probably put your charger, maybe a couple cables in here, but it is super convenient to have this. I'm gonna move on to just the outside details. So the design is really nice because it doesn't even look like it opens up, so it just kind of recedes back into the bag. I really like the details on here. The logo looks really cool here. They also have a really cool logo on their wheels. And so whenever you roll this, you can see this design going like this. And then on the side, it has another nice handle that recedes back into the case so that it doesn't get in the way. And I have to point out these zippers. Oh my gosh, these zippers are amazing. They feel really quality, and the nice thing about them is that they're freaking long. So this is like more than half the length of my finger. I know a lot of bags, sometimes they have these shorter zippers and it's hard to grab, but this is really nice. It has enough space to have the lock. A lot of other brands, like their zippers, are shorter and you still have to have enough space to put the lock in, and it's really hard to access. But this one, look how long they are. It makes it really easy to just grab open. You need to open it up really quickly. It makes it really convenient. So let's open that up and look at the inside of this bag. It opens up like this. On the inside, we have a standard opening for, you know, your clothing, and it has a strap above it just to secure the clothing in there. And on this side, pretty standard, has the little mesh middle. You can kind of store some like boxers or whatever. It opens up like this and you put some more stuff up here. And because you have the laptop case, there's a little bit less space on this side. You can feel the laptop part kind of pushing in here, so it's, you know, you're kind of giving away a little bit of space there. But honestly, the laptop case is really worth it. And I really like the zippers in here too. They're kind of like this brushed metal with the logo and branding on there. Feels really nice. Zippers feel good. Nice, yeah, pretty straightforward inside. I guess the final details are these wheels. Like I said before, they are, you know, fully 360, and there's 2 wheels on each set, which is always very nice. And like I said, I rolled them around the house. Super smooth roll. Both you can leave it upright and pull it along like this, or pull it, you know, sideways like that. It's a really understated and sleek design, which is what I really like. I don't like to be too flashy when I go on traveling. I don't want to draw too much attention, but when you really look at the design of this thing, it looks really cool. So I'm gonna give you guys an idea of how it looks when you're holding it. I'm about 5'8", just to give you an idea how big it will be in comparison to me, and let's check it out. So there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed that review. Really quick, kind of hands-on look for the first time. Like I said, I haven't had a chance to take it on a trip with me, but I'm really excited to. Probably going to go somewhere next month. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to ask them below and I'll answer them, especially after the trip, just to give you an idea of how it was to use it. Be sure to check out more of our stuff on our blog. You can find it at localadventure.com. And also I linked this bag in the description below, so you can check it out there. Thanks, guys, and I'll see y'all next time.